Hello, we are at Alton Towers for National Vlogger Day. I mean the opening of Gangsta Granny, the ride. It's already open. I mean, what time is it?
About 9:30 now.
About 9:30. And the area is all open, so we're just going to go in and have a look. Been looking forward to this for a very, very long time, haven't we?
Yeah, I'm really excited to see what they've done with it.
And obviously, because it's 17th, May the 17th, all the dark rides are open. Woo! Look at Joe's shirt. Yeah.
Nice.
So we're going to go in and have a look. Oh, it smells like fresh paint, doesn't it? I'm liking the soundtrack.
Nice music.
Yeah. So we've got the Royal Carousel, which replaced twirling toadstools. I really like the paint job on that.
And there's the retro squad that's not a retro squad.
Yeah. So this is obviously the old theatre.
It looks good. I love all the little characters and stuff. Really sets the world up, doesn't it?
Yeah, it looks really cool, doesn't it? I just hope at some point they do something with this building, because it's such a massive place, isn't it? So everyone's already in the queue. So I think we'll go in, eh?
Let's go check it out. Gangsta Granny.
Nice blue, oh, greeny. What would you say that is? Turquoise? Teal. You got the gift shop there. Hey! And here we go in. Hello.
Good morning, guys. How are we today?
Good, thank you. Yourself?
Very good, very good. Thank
Excited? Hey, it's Marcus. Hey, it's a Virgin Addict.
Exception.
Face reveal. Rally Bums Way, there you go. I really like how they've done this facade. Yeah. Kind of reminds me of like the way it used to be before they did all the kind of cartoon style. Yeah. So fancy. That's hilarious though, isn't it? So we're finally on the indoor queue. You can see there's loads of plexiglass everywhere.
It's like a little gallery, isn't it?
And we've got your royal title from your stay that we shall hence be known as.
What's yours? Yours is His Grace. His Grace, Smelly, Dancer.
Dancer. And what was yours?
Mine is Baroness Jiggly Feet.
What's yours, Lee?
Right, I'm King Laffy Tralala.
That actually works.
Marcus, what's yours?
Prince Messi Dancer.
That's got a good ring to it.
I'm happy with that.
Vloggers everywhere. Door down there.
Royal doggy door. So cute.
For your 9-hour non-stop royal tour. These neighbors
Having the photo. Here we go.
Go on, Blake.
Little doggy door thing there. Is that Coaster Dan's door? Coaster Dan and I think that's Sean from Lift Hills and Phil, Sean
on
Evans.
behalf of Her Royal Majesty, welcome.
They're having a whale
one
of a
and
time
all
there.
I'm loving
to
it.
the Royal Coaster down here. Please follow all royal.
These vloggers.
Keep your best.
Yeah. Oh, this is the chained oak in the background. What the hell is this?
That's cool.
Got the 15 furlong Shrewsbury with a chained oak. I love the fact that they've got like kind of little Easter eggs to the history of towers. It's really cool.
The man himself here.
Will like Wally that.
The man himself.
Ruin your shot then.
No. Where's my piece? Oh, this is
Fantastic. You'll do it there, like.
chest, is it?
And you can't see the announcements, so.
You excited, Joe?
I am, yeah. So excited! Through it then round. And it's like 20 past 10 now, so we don't queue that long, have we?
Yeah.
Happy days. All good.
Greg?
They better sell one of those crowns in the gift shop.
Yeah, I'll get one. Wear it all
I'll
day.
wear it.
They're all crowns today,
Like the Burger King crowns.
Detective PC Fudge will be heading up the investigation.
Love it. And now we come out into the shop. It's kind of just got its own charm, hasn't it? That's what I think about it. A lot better than I thought it was going to be.
Yeah.
Gotta say.
So I think like the little individual sections were really good.
Yeah.
Few surprises as well, which is good.
Yeah, good. I think considering how small it is,
Yeah.
like it lasted quite long.
Yeah, because I didn't expect it to be like kind of like pivoting quite a lot, like stationary but going around. So they made use of the space really well, man.
Happy days.
Happy
Tell the
days.
story well, isn't it?
Some concrete for the tub. And use it again to make sandcastles.
Oh, nice.
Have a
I like that.
think. Cornetos as well.
Oh,
Buy a cornetto, you get a free little chocolate bit at the bottom.
oh, free, completely free.
Enjoy that.
Oh wow! I love how it's.
One month today only. Get a free handle with it.
I love how it's. Oh, look at that rain.
Where did that come from?
I love how this looks like an actual. Yeah, just go back in. I do love how this is actually like a corner shop. It looks like a corner shop. So the heavens have opened. We're now standing in the queue to Hex. We've got everyone there.
Am I going to be in a ParkSpill video?
We're on the Parks. Oh,
Completely put me out there. It's all right. It's all right.
come on, Dan.
It's all right, mate. No, don't
Sorry,
worry.
mate. Sorry.
It's gonna get Mike Wazowski's.
There's like 8 YouTube channels here, all in one go.
I know, yeah, it's a bit mad today. So, what did you think of Gangsta Granny? This is actual.
So awesome, I
Yeah.
loved it. It's like my expectations were about here, and it definitely exceeded them, which is good.
Yeah, 100%. I think like what they've done with the space there, like so clever.
It's quite a long ride, isn't it?
It's a long ride because you're going very slow and you stop and you go around. Yeah, they've done a really great job. The smells in there, the effects,
Yeah,
the
the effects are,
lighting.
there's a good few surprises as
Yeah,
well.
it's
And
got-
the use of screens
Yeah.
works perfectly.
It works really well. There's
Yeah.
some bits in there that seem like 3D, you know, like when you're kind of doing like, you know, like Forbidden Journey, you've got the dome screens and it seems almost 3D. They've done that really well. And there's some 2D stuff in there, but it works quite well. They made it work quite well, haven't they?
Yeah, it's wicked. Like, you'll love it. Anyone who goes on it will love it.
Yeah, so yeah, I'm sure we'll be talking about it all day and get a few rewrites on it.
Definitely re-rideable.
Yeah, sweet. Anyway, we're going to do Hex now. Really looking forward to this.
First Hex
Dark
of the
ride.
season.
I mean, I guess it's going to happen, isn't it? When the dark ride's open, the clouds open. So the heavens open. Yeah, there we go. But yeah, see you in a bit. Oh, we're back in Hex. I've missed this place. What? Oh yeah, wind machines. That's, Is it? Oh, that's strange. It's quite bizarre how they don't let you queue up inside at the minute, considering we could do it in Gangsta Granny. But I guess they just don't want too many people in here. Everyone give a cheer for Hex. Yay! Yay! Amazing.
It was on a cold autumn night in 1821 when the thunder of hooves.
So yeah, it's proper wet now.
Pretty miserable.
Oh, so yeah.
We're heading to.
Oh.
Yeah.
So yeah, Hex was awesome to get back on. I love that.
It was wicked, wasn't it?
Good. And it was really nice doing it with a load of other foozes. But yeah, that was really cool. But yeah, like you can see, it's an absolute washout. So yeah, we're gonna walk up to Gloomy Wood and have a go on the ghost train. I really missed it, man. Absolutely missed it. Back in the dual queue. You can't find it? Oh.
I will. I'll probably do it.
This is weird.
What? Oh no. No. Oh, I'm not a fan of that.
Yeah, I'm not either. What do you think of that, John?
What would John Wardley say? So, we haven't seen you for a bit. Oh, hello. Go away. So, yeah, there we go. So we haven't seen you for a bit. We've actually, obviously, it rained loads and loads. So we went and did Jewel. We went and did
Nemesis.
Which is really cool in the rain. I absolutely love Nemesis in the rain. Oh, we got someone coming up close to us.
And now he's not allowed to move.
He's not allowed to move. He's not allowed to talk. So, but yeah, we just did Gangsta Granny again. Second time around, even better, weren't it?
Yeah, it's wicked. It's so re-rideable. There's so many little details in there to notice, and it's just so fun.
Just the soundtrack, I keep saying it, the soundtrack of the whole area. We haven't done much today just because of the rain. Like, honestly, at one point we spent about an hour inside Burger Kitchen, but now the sun's come out and it's absolutely lovely.
Hey.
In case of Jen.
Alright, guys.
We got Aaron from Appreciation.
Aaron just hangs around.
Aaron from Aaron.
Aaron from Aaron. So what do you think of Gangsta Granny?
Absolutely loved it.
Yeah.
It was as good then as it was this morning.
Yeah, because you got on really early, didn't you, before us?
Really.
So that's good. That's good.
It was cool seeing everyone proper hyped as well.
Yeah.
Like, because I think a lot of people were thinking it's not like going to be amazing.
Yeah.
A lot of people came off surprised and shocked.
I was surprised. I think it's up there with all the other dark rides here. I think
we
it's
can't talk about it without spoiling.
Nah, I don't. Yeah, you don't. You want to be. I would suggest you not watch POVs and you
don't
just
watch any.
just come here and do it in person.
Yeah.
Just try not to get any spoilers if you can, because it's way better. Yeah.
The lighting.
Yeah, basically. Yeah.
The lighting really took me back, you know.
Yeah, the lighting, everything. Like honestly.
People loving it.
Yeah.
It's such a good all-round dark ride. It doesn't matter the age, either.
No,
It's not.
There's something for everyone.
It's just funny, and I think that's the good thing about obviously these books is that they're designed to be like have a bit of humour for the adults and for the kids.
Yeah.
So I think that's a perfect little mix for a theme park ride, and I just love the on-ride audio as well.
See you later.
I absolutely love the on-ride audio. We don't get that at Towers.
Great.
Yeah.
And it really made you feel, and it's proper bassy as well.
Yeah,
It's not
yeah.
cheap audio. It feels like
No.
they've invested in every sound effect.
You feel the audio,
you
don't
feel
you?
it. It shakes the car.
Shakes it. Yeah, it's properly
Really
well
cool.
done.
Actually, we span quite a bit then as well.
We did, yeah.
I thought we span a bit quicker.
Yeah, I felt like, I don't know, maybe.
I think
It did feel like it span a bit quicker.
the one where you go all the way around is slow, isn't it?
Yeah, and then
Yeah.
it comes back though.
Exactly. Really a proper, like, you know, fast spin.
Nah,
Control.
not exactly spinball. Can't put spinball on that.
Yeah.
For that.
Well, yeah, just another scan of the area now. It's not raining. Really nice. I love the fact that you can see the towers behind, just up there. Really adds to like the kind of effect of going into the this royal tour. It's just nice to have some kind of life breathe back into this area again. Honestly, and it's just, I keep saying it, but the music, you can't really understate how much the difference the music makes just to being in an area. And you probably saw as well that they have like kind of a little dance thing here. It's called the changeover of the changeover or something like that. And that's really impressive. Hopefully at some point something will happen to this building because it's a big space and they could put something in there. At the minute it's just being used as the queue line for Fandango. So yeah. I can't believe it. It's so sunny now. It's a completely different day. So yeah, nice, isn't it? So yeah, had a fantastic day. Great to get back on some of our favourite dark rides, such as
Jewel, Hex,
like,
and an awesome ride on Hex.
Yeah, oh, so good, so good. But yeah, short vlog today, but we've got lots coming up. Loads of openings happening in the next 2 weeks, and we'll be sure to show you them all. So yeah, from me it is bye bye. From Joe, it is see you later. Bye.